Okay, so to start trading, I mean, you need very good information, right? You need very good education to start with, right? So now there is this free source of information online that almost every trader has used before, including those on YouTube, right? This is the starting point for a lot of traders. So the name is Baby Pips, right? So you go to babypips.com, right? So you go to babypips.com, and then when you click on it, this is how it looks like. This is what appears, right? This is what appears. You can see new to Forex, new to crypto. So you can have free education from this website, right? So all you need to do is go to learn Forex or learn crypto, right? You go to learn Forex or learn crypto, right? So let's click on learn Forex. Since it's Forex, we are going to learn anyway. So here, you see, there is different levels. All right, you can have a trading quiz. This is the Forex glossary where you can find the meaning of anything you want. This is the main thing, right? How to start Forex. So this is the course, right? So you click. Right, okay. Now this is it. As you can see, I've already taken the course. I've done 168 out of 361 lessons, right? So you start from preschool. This is going to teach you, preschool is going to teach you, what is Forex. You are supposed to learn, what is Forex, traded in. This is saying what is Forex. It gives you an understanding of what Forex is, right? What's the daily volume, average daily volume between Forex and the New York Stock Exchange, London Stock Exchange, right? It gives you the times Forex is traded. The next lesson is what is traded in Forex, right? So you read these are actually the basic ones. Okay, so once you are done with preschool, you move on to kindergarten. Now this is where you are going to learn about Forex brokers, right? So you learn about Forex brokers. What kind of brokers are you supposed to use? What is spread? What is pips, right? Yeah, how to select a broker, how to deposit, right? Then this is where you start learning some juicy things, right? The three types of analysis. What is technical analysis, fundamental analysis, right? Fundamental analysis, technical analysis. It gives you the types of chart, right? So this is where you start learning some juicy things like support and resistance levels, which is very, very key and important. Trend lines, right? As you can see, you are learning support and resistance levels, right? This is going to start teaching you what support and resistance levels are, right? What a breakout is, a fake out is, right? So on this, you are going to learn a whole lot of things, right? Through this, you are going to learn a whole lot of things. What is support, resistance, how to trade channels, psychological levels, right? So this has almost everything you need. Middle school, you are going to learn about some indicators, right? Summer school, you are going to learn about some charts. There is Heike Nashi, Elliott wave theory, right? That is going to teach you how, according to Elliott, right, how the market acts like a wave, right? This is him. According to Elliott, how the market acts as a wave. You are going to learn all of those. Then you finally end, right? Then you finally end at right. So here, undergraduate level is very, very important, right? You are going to learn about one of the most important things, which is what? Risk management. Okay, risk management is very, very important. The number one cause of death to traders. In the undergraduate level, that's where you're going to learn why most people fail when it comes to trading, right? Yeah. So you are going to learn about risk management. Okay. What is risk management? How much trading capital do you need for trading? Drawdown and maximum drawdown explained. Right. You are going to learn, the number one cause of debt, which is leverage, right? Leverage, right? So leverage can be a two-edged sword. You either use it to your favor or it moves against you, right? So the final one, you graduate, all right? You learn some of the most common trading common mistakes new traders make, right? Which are they say the 5 deadly O's of trading, right? So you are going to learn all of these, right? Overconfidence, over trading, over leveraging, over exposure, overriding stop loss, right? This is why majority of people fail when it comes to trading. So after you've learned all the information there, you need to come and learn this as well, right? Okay, so that's it for baby pips. By the time you be done with baby pips, you have a vast understanding of what is going on when it comes to the forex market, right? Vast understanding of what is going on. Now, from baby pips, you move on to another thing, right? From baby pips, you move on to another thing, which is trading view. Okay, so from baby pips, you move on to trading view, right? Now, in trading view, this is where you are going to actually analyze the charts yourself, right? You are going to analyze the charts yourself to be able to practice what you've studied. All right, this is where you can find the real-time market movement, right? This is real life market movement, right? Real life market movement, right? That's where so in trading view, this is where you can get this real life market movement. You understand? So you have all the tools here as well to be able to learn, to be able to use it effectively, right? To be able to how do you call it, analyze the charts properly. You understand, right? So you need to learn how to use trading view as well. Okay, then the next thing you need to do is be familiar with a platform called MetaTrader, right? You need to be familiar with a platform called MetaTrader, which you can actually download on your phone, on your PC. I personally use it on my PC, right? So, right, you need. Okay, so this is how the MetaTrader platform looks like, right? So as you can see, right, these are the MetaTrader platform. Now here you can practice what you've studied, right? You can practice what you've studied, right? You can practice by taking actual trades, practicing, right? So this is where you can, practice what you studied, right? This is where most of the trading happens. Right? This is where most of the trading happens. I'm using currently the MetaTrader 5, right? This is where most of the trading happens, right? So you can buy, sell, right? Yeah. So after you've done this, this should give you the starting point, right? This will give you, this will cut several years of, information seeking out of, your hours, right? Because this is actually a detailed way to learn how to trade easily, right? You don't have to, there is also different sources on YouTube that you can also learn, right? When you check YouTube, right? You check YouTube and we type, let's say, Forex, right? When we go on YouTube and we type Forex, obviously you are going to find a whole lot of Forex trading videos, right? But you can also visit my page as well, right? You can visit my page, my channel. You can visit my channel, right? You are going to find a lot of videos from my channel, right? You can visit my channel. You can, right? You're going to find a lot of videos on my channel that you can also learn as well, right? So thank you very much. Subscribe, like this video, right? Let's get to 5,000 followers, subscribers. Yeah, okay. Thank you.